Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let me show you why I love this microfiber scrunchie from Kitsch. This scrunchie is luxuriously soft. The microfiber is quick dry, so it really does absorb a lot of moisture out of your hair while being functional like a scrunchie. I have got hair turbans, but sometimes I need something that I can run out of the house in, and this came in perfectly. It is super sturdy and stretchy, but also secure enough to hold up my giant wad of hair. I like to wrap it around to get as much hair coverage as possible, so the microfiber does absorb the moisture and also has the ability to dry. I have pretty long hair and it holds it up really nicely. After a shower in the morning, I usually pop it in while I get ready for work and do a few errands around the house, and then my hair is mostly dry and ready to go for when I need to go to work. I absolutely love that it's natural and I don't have to use a blow dryer because where I live, it's pretty warm and that's the last thing I feel like doing. So these scrunchies have come in handy and I absolutely love them. But that's just my point of view.